my channel. We are, what looks like we are in nature today. I don't think I've ever filmed a video in nature in my life, but here we are. Nature. Love that. Los Angeles.
UCLA.
Los Angeles-based nature. We love it. So, anyways, not because I'm an artist and not because I can paint, but because you're literally fully in it making the weirdest face. So, I have left my home in search of some nature in honor of Mr. Bob Ross and the fabulous trend that is going on YouTube that actually is like kind of old, but I'm always late to the game on trends. I usually love a fashion trend, but you know, I'm actually usually late to all the YouTube trends, and of course I am super late to this one, but you guys have seen all the fabulous videos following Bob Ross painting tutorials. And if you guys don't know who Bob Ross is, he's a wonderful man who used to do fabulous painting tutorials all about like love and light and filling your soul with joy and happiness. So we're in a park. I'm gonna go ahead and try the trend myself in a different sort of way because I am going to paint a dress. Is that a good idea? Honestly, probably not, but we're gonna see what happens anyway because honestly, my channel just gets weirder by the day. And if you've been here a while, you know that's the truth. So without further ado, here we go. I try following a Bob Ross painting tutorial on a dress. I don't know. Ah, what a beautiful day at the park. Yay. So we've got all of the goods. Got the blanket. Haletta's got the art supplies. We've got the dress somewhere. I actually don't know where I put that, but it's somewhere. And yeah, we're just gonna paint in a public park like psychos.
Just paint on a Tuesday.
A wonderful Tuesday. All right, here we go. Okay, so we have all of my paints that I bought at Joann's. We have a bunch of brushes. I couldn't decide which brushes to get, so I bought the one with literally all of them. And this is the dress that I'm going to be painting. You guys can see it is just a plain white dress. Yeah, and that's my friend. Bring a friend, it's funner. So yeah, she has a canvas, and there we go. And of course, I have to pull up Mr. Ross on my phone so we can watch the tutorial. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick. I don't know if there's like a specific one that everyone follows because I didn't really watch anyone else do this, but you know. Also, we're by a dog park, so you can like hear dogs in the background. Anyways, okay, my professionalism in my videos gets better and better every time. So yeah, we're gonna pick out which Bob video to watch. Alrighty, what one should we pick? Honestly, I should just paint this. Look at this. This is a Bob Ross painting. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay, anyways, back to Mr. Ross. No more Instagram. Okay. They all look pretty. This one looks nice. 1 million views. Right, we're gonna go with this one. Let's see what's happening, Mr. Bob. By the way, to make this easier for you guys to see, I'm gonna like put it in the bottom here, but we are watching on my phone, so that's why we're looking at the ground. Also, I forgot to buy a palette, so we're gonna use this. Recycling is cool. Okay, here we go.
Let's start right up in here, and we'll use little crisscross strokes.
Okay.
Just make little X's.
Alrighty.
Let's
I
put
can
in
do
a
that,
cloud,
I think.
Sky.
We're gonna start.
You have a quick little sky.
Okay, we got the blue. Oh, you're gonna mix it?
Well, because his is light.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yours looks good. Okay, here we go, kids. Oh, Lord have mercy. Okay. Not good, but not bad. This is relaxing. His voice is so soothing, by the way. Oh.
It just literally blends with the liquid white.
I want to listen to this before I fall
As you work
asleep.
downward here, so you try to pull it from the outside in.
Okay, so we'll mix some green in there. Oh, that's pretty. This is ruining my manicure. Okay.
Make this as easy as possible. Here.
Oh no.
Just blend it together.
This is not quite correct. I'm trying though. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I'm like crafty, but I don't know if like painting really is my strong suit, but we're gonna try and make Bob proud, so we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep trying. What? How does yours look like that? Huh. Oh my God, it's not blending at all. Okay, that looks way better. I blended it with some white. Bob didn't really say to do that, but we're gonna just take a little creative liberty here. Much better. Oh my God, it looks like one of those cups. Okay, there we go. I took the liberty to blend it a little more. So, cool. Next up. This is hard. Okay. Bob, what's next?
Let's make some big fluffy clouds today. Bright red. Very small amount.
Red.
It's very strong.
Oh my god, my hands. Okay, we got some white. Oh, that was aesthetic. Anywhere mixing.
Canvas. Wherever.
Happy little clouds. Okay.
This is-
Oh, my tag is still out. Okay.
So you create any kind of illusion that you want in your world.
So beautiful. Do you hear that, guys?
And they
This is your world. You create any sort of illusion you want in it. I love that. This is so inspiring. Okay, I'm gonna try and paint some clouds. Happy little clouds. Oh, why are my clouds red? Okay, looks good. We like it. Why does mine look nothing like his at all?
a clean,
Whoa,
dry, sharp
what? Bob!
Inch brush. Blend it.
Blend it.
Tiny little circular strokes.
I'm not ruining
I'm gonna ruin my clouds if I do that. His
Flush
clouds
it
look
right out.
amazing.
It's like you
Mine-
put wallpaper.
I know, mine looks horrible.
And then very
That's insane.
There we
That's
go.
insane.
Alright, so
Fantastic.
try again. I don't
Stick
know.
to a happy little
that's
cloud.
His looks okay, well.
Okay.
Well, what's the next step, Bob? We're gonna skip that step.
Tell you canvas.
Okay, so we're gonna do a mountain now. I don't even know
Sir,
what crimson is.
beautiful song.
Oh, red.
Oh,
Crimson, okay, good. Crimson.
And then cut
Oh
across
god,
it.
okay.
A roll of paint.
He's just going for it. Okay, oh god, oh god, oh god, okay.
There's a thought.
Okay, actually, it low-key looks kind of pretty. I mean, low-key, but very low-key.
Tap. All right.
How does his already look like a mountain? Okay, here we go.
Like that.
That is a mountain. That is a mountain too. We're just gonna make this one like big mountain. Oh, it's in my cloud. Oh. Bob, this
There we
is
go.
hard. Okay.
Let's go back. This was a dry canvas.
Huh?
You'd be in Agony City.
What? Okay.
And let's put
We're
some
blending.
snow on this
We're
mountain.
blending. We're blending. Oh, yeah. Okay, if I do it like that. Hey! Kids, it's happening. I mean, I'm not exactly like Vincent Van Gogh or anything, but I think this is going okay. Oh, this is so picturesque. Look at this. Wow. Bro.
We have to start making some big decisions now. No pressure. Just the weight of the knife.
What?
No pressure.
Are you kidding me?
Right. Look at there.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, well, okay. Let it snow. Oh, stop laughing at my stupid joke. Stop it. She's been laughing at me for so... I'm not inviting you next time. Okay, we got the scraper.
Okay.
Got the white.
Honestly, that actually wasn't that bad.
No.
And
Not quite like his, but like... Okay. All right. I mean, okay. Okay, we're switching gears. We're using a brush because I don't understand how Bob used the other thing and made it look good. There we go. Mountainy.
You have total power.
Why are you so inspiring,
This
Bob?
canvas.
Okay.
You can do it. There's no big
This
secret.
isn't
We'll show you
quite
everything
what
that
mine
you
looks like, Bob.
need. I want to touch and just pull down. Now we're following the angles on the other side of the mountain.
I mean, okay. Sure. Yeah. Hands on fleek. Love it. Not too shabby. Really glad he's encouraging because I probably would have given up by now, but this is good, so we're gonna keep going. High five. All right. Next.
And I'll come distinctly through. So you know she's
Yeah,
acting right back.
Okay, well, we can try.
That's
It is amazing how much his looks actually nothing like ours. Literally
Personality all on its own.
nothing like it.
You
Okay.
can create little ridges wherever you want.
Just gonna blend this in so it looks a little bit more like his. You know, it doesn't look that bad actually. This is fun. Yes. It's okay.
There. All I'm doing is tapping and then lifting up.
nicest, most pure
Lifting
man on
upward
earth.
like that removes the tap marks and creates that. Now then, you have to make a big decision. Now say the little footy hill lives right here, and all I'm doing is just tapping.
What is that?
Isn't that fantastic? Looks like just the tops of thousands of little trees far off in the distance.
Oh no. He makes it look so easy. His looks amazing and mine looks crazy.
Let's make some little footy hills back there.
Alright. Okay, here we go. Tree time.
And that is super easy.
Lordy.
To make little
Ooh, we have got a nice looking green here. At least I did that good. Okay, here we go. Trees.
Okay.
There's
Now
depth
use a
in
fan
there
brush,
somewhere.
full of paint.
I don't know if I can make my trees look like that, but we're gonna try and cover this with that because this isn't really loving that. I decided to go with black trees as an artistic choice. Like small demons coming to ruin my painting. Okay, so his reflection is like really legit. Mine is like not that legit, but you know, we'll try and make it look legit. Not quite as good as his, but we're reflecting a little.
Bob, I'm tired. I can't do it.
Okay, honestly, it's kind of good. I'm impressed. What next, Bob? That easy, huh, Bob?
Then you take a clean fan brush with at least a little bit of white on it.
Okay, so yeah. But actually, though, this is like really hard. Man just created a tree out of thin air. What? Bob.
Each tree.
Oh God. Okay, well, I'm gonna try it. I do not know how this man is doing this, but here we go. Do we look more stressed than we were at the beginning of the video? The golden hour has left us. The golden has left
Crusty
my
and angry.
soul. Okay. Here we go. Tree. Don't be mean.
Okay, alright. Yeah, let's do it.
Sure. These are really good trees that I made that look just like his.
Really friendly and
Oh no,
non-threatening trees.
not threatening. Oh no, guys, I ruined it. Okay, I'm gonna try and salvage this by using a different brush. He did 3, but mine are like one big mush tree. Okay, so I'm not good at trees, we learned. The moon is coming. Well, I mean, it's not coming. It's already right there. But like, we are still doing this. Okay, if we do this, it looks a little better, kind of. Okay, so that corner doesn't really look that great, but the rest of it looks okay. I mean, okay, this corner doesn't look that great either, but as Bob would say, I'm having a good time and that's all that matters.
He's really stressed.
I'm a little stressed, but no, we're having fun. We're almost there. Does yours look good?
Does it?
Looks like kind of, I don't know. What are you doing with the yellow?
Brush. That makes the paint thinner.
What are we doing with
Thin
this?
paint will stick to a thick paint. Now, let's put some leaves on this. This is what begins to bring this painting alive.
What?
And
Bob wants color, we'll give him some color. Oh God, this looks terrible. What, Bob? You know what? I think we might skip this step actually. Unbelievable. But I'm gonna skip this step on account of I think it's going to ruin. Well, not like I didn't already kind of ruin it, but like, you know. So since we're skipping the last step, I'm not gonna show you guys the finished product, but stay tuned. Are you ready for a fashion show? Okay, are you guys ready for this? Boom! Voila! Oh my goodness, if Bob Ross was an Insta-ho. I mean, his paintings obviously, but oh my God, look at this! It low-key came out. It's so good. I really didn't think it was gonna look this good, but low-key, this is a whole look, Ma. Ooh, ooh, traveling the 7 seas, the 7 wonders of the world. One of which is me. Hi! I mean, you can see up close and personal, it's not like that great, but honestly, it is also not that bad for a non-artist following a YouTube tutorial in a few hours. Also, yes, I didn't get ready today. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm kind of scrambling to finish this video, but yeah, you can see, voila, there we go. Honestly, like I said, a look. So there you have it, you guys. That was me following a Bob Ross painting tutorial on a dress. Hope you guys loved it. Thank you guys so much for watching. In the words of Mr. Ross himself, you don't need to be good at something to enjoy it. So enjoy your passions, kids. All of the love and then some. XO. I don't wanna be a chicken, I don't wanna be a duck, I wanna be a painting, na 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 na.